Here's one of the handiest devices I've ever come across for recovery use. It's a short, two-legged, grade 10 chain bridle, and it allows you many different options. One of the reasons I like it, I can hook a chain onto what I want to pull, and then I can attach this to that chain, and I can put my force exactly where I want to have it applied. Another benefit of this is applying your force to an oblong ring is easier on your chain assemblies. You can find these available in 5/16, 3/8, ½ inch, 5/8, or bigger at toecoop.com under grade 100 chain accessories.